Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's learn and what's with practical in these tutorials. How to repair or install the latest iTunes. In a case your iPhones is not being detected by especially iTunes. How do you fix those problems? So any kind of the iPhones, especially with iTunes, what is happening in the midst of that, and how do you do this quickly? Let's see. If you would like to the open especially iTunes and the iTunes is not properly especially opening and not being detected in that conditions, sometimes your iTunes is not closing properly. In that condition, just we will go for an as administrator, that is a special iTunes. On iTunes, just we have to especially see device has been connected, but when we connect with iTunes, especially it's not a working properly. So in that condition, just we will come on a utility, and the utility we have options. One is especially see repair option. Second is especially install. This is an install, and there is a more one. So if I click here, then of course more opportunity to get a latest iOS. So if you would like to have the latest iOS, just click on here. If you would like to repair of this one, of course by using this one. If you would like to install any iTunes that has been already especially downloaded by using this one 302. This is a totally free guys. By using especially this tool, of course we can address the all kind of the iTunes errors. So here we will go for the repair, and it's saying that especially see no need to install, no need to especially these ones, but these all are okay. But if you would like to repair the once again, now it has started to download, and of course now within a quickly it will give you a result to especially automatically it will fix all kind of the errors. So how it's easily we can the repair and we can fix the various kind of the error of iTunes guys. Now see it's repairing. So as we know that when we open iTunes, it's not going to the proper functional. That's why actually I decided to fix it of that. So now see it's repairing. Of course we will have to wait, and after that, especially after repairing of it, definitely your iTunes will be works properly. So right now see guys on a third options, now it's installing. So let's see what will happen furthermore. Almost we have especially done. Now see this especially Apple especially the application 64 beta has been uninstalled. Now this is uninstalling, and thereupon especially port status is off. That's why also. So let's see what will happen. Now it's installing guys. So firstly it will uninstalled and then it will be installed. So in that condition, see how effectively especially it's working, and of course it will fix you all kind of errors. So because when I was opening iTunes especially or going for a run as administrator, that's iTunes especially was not opening. So in that case, so that's why especially for addressing this issue actually I decided to especially come with this tool, and of course it has been the fix on my another laptop. So that's why I decided to show you how do you fix it and how do you repair of this. Now see this Apple mobile device support that has been installed. Now especially a bunch of service that is going to install, and after installing it then of course it has been. So now it is quite okay guys right now. Now see it's given the options that if you would like to especially install the Microsoft, and that's of course we can go for, otherwise we can reset now, or we can is configurations now. So see guys, it has been. Now just we will restart of this computer, and then of course we will go with the special item, and it will work properly. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. Any kind of the iTunes errors are happening in your especially operating system of any laptops or computer, yes, by using similar steps you can address of it. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Yes, furthermore, any inquiry, of course, they have the query below the comment box. I will reply as soon as possible according to the query goes. And of course, it is informative and knowledgeable. Then please don't forget like and subscribe. This channel because may be beneficial. Who is highly specialized to have this kind of information, free of course. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.